In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to offer recurring payouts through your affiliate dashboard. If you want to set up a system that automatically rewards your affiliates for each sale they make over time, then stick around, because I'll be walking you through the exact steps, and by the end, you'll have it all set up. Now, many affiliate programs out there don't offer recurring payouts, but I've tested several of the most popular platforms, and I'll share the one I've had the best experience with. Plus, I've got an exclusive free trial for this software, only available for viewers of my channel. So, be sure to check the description below if you want to follow along. The first thing you need to do is find a platform that supports recurring payouts. Not every affiliate dashboard has this built in, so make sure to choose a system that has this feature from the get-go. Once you've chosen your software, the setup process is typically straightforward. I'll be using this software as an example to keep it simple. After you log into your affiliate dashboard, the first step is to navigate to the commission settings or payout section. Here, you'll usually have options to set up different types of payouts: one-time payments, per sale, or recurring commissions. Select recurring payouts. This will allow you to set up a model where affiliates get paid every time a customer renews or makes a repeat purchase. Now, it's important to specify how often you want these recurring payouts to happen. Common options are weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Choose the one that works best for your business model. Remember, the more frequently your affiliates get paid, the more motivated they might be to promote your product. However, some affiliates prefer monthly payouts, so it's a good idea to keep them flexible. Next, you'll need to set up the commission structure for the recurring payments. Decide if you want affiliates to earn the same amount each time a customer renews, or if the commission will change over time. For example, some businesses offer higher commissions in the first few months and then a smaller commission on renewals. You'll also be able to decide how long these recurring commissions last. Some businesses offer them for the life of the customer, while others only for a set period. Once you've set everything up, you'll want to check that the recurring payouts are properly tracked in your dashboard. Your software should automatically track which affiliates are earning recurring commissions and how much they're making, but it's always a good idea to double check and make sure everything is working as expected. And before you start promoting, ensure that your affiliates are aware of the recurring payout system. Be transparent with them about how the payments work, and make sure they know how much they can earn and when they'll get paid. Transparency is key to keeping your affiliates motivated and engaged. To sum up, the steps to offer recurring payouts through your affiliate dashboard are: 1. Choose a platform that supports recurring payouts. 2. Set the payout frequency and commission structure. 3. Double check that the payments are tracked properly. 4. Ensure your affiliates understand how the recurring payouts work. Remember, by offering recurring payouts, you're not just rewarding affiliates for one-time sales, you're encouraging long-term partnerships that benefit everyone involved. Key takeaway: setting up recurring payouts through your affiliate dashboard is an excellent way to build stronger relationships with affiliates and drive more long-term success for your business. Make sure to choose a platform that supports this feature, set up clear commission structures, and keep your affiliates informed about how the system works. And don't forget, if you want to follow along, check out the exclusive free trial for this software in the description below. You won't find this offer anywhere else. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.